Let's take a quick tour of a 2020 Winnebago Vita 24P. This is a single Super Slide Class C that is a diesel Mercedes Sprinter 3500 chassis with a 188 horsepower turbo diesel engine, a little 6-cylinder turbo diesel. Does have a full body awning on it. Like I said, only one slide, but actually pretty spacious inside. It is a folding mattress over in the back. Of course, when it slides in, you can't use the mattress because it folds over itself, but you could sleep on the dinette, or you could sleep in the overhead bunk area, which is equivalent to a queen. It does have swivel cloth seats that are all manual, 23,600 miles on it, 32-inch Toshiba TV with some storage behind, a couple solar panels up top on the roof, 62 hours on that 3600 LP generator, electric only fridge, thermostat, and ducted AC throughout. A couple skylights. You actually got a pretty decently spacious shower area with a very interesting folding, oh my gosh, folding door. There you go. 3-burner gas stovetop, convection microwave, dual bay sink. Like I said, some cool storage right behind this TV. We're selling it for $89,995. It's here at Vita RV Center in Tucson, Arizona. 24 feet 5 inches overall, 37 fresh, 41 gray and black, 13.5 BTU on the furnace. And if you guys want to see the floor plan, there it is. If you guys have any questions on this unit, I will leave all my contact info on the screen and down in the description box. But I appreciate you guys viewing. Hopefully you enjoyed. Have a great day.